guess what? This is my first mukbang, y'all. And I hope you guys like it. Do you like the new red hair? Yes, honey. I'm trying to lay them edges, y'all. But right now I have Panda Express here in Springfield, Missouri. I wanted Italian beef, y'all. So I have their Italian beef. Thumb down. I have some cheese sauce. I have some fries. Yes. I have the juice. I like the juice on the side. And I also have, they have cauliflower, carrots, green peppers. And it's supposed to have like this hot taste to it. I might not use it because I'm not a cauliflower fan. Nor do I like carrots on my stuff. And then I have that, y'all, I got that juice, y'all. I got that juice. I got that wine. I have the peach. Sangre. I don't know if I'm saying it right, y'all, but yes. And then they also give you some chips and a piece of bread. Okay. So let's say our prayers and let's dig in. Heavenly Father, I thank you for this food I'm about to receive. I should make a nurse into my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Amen, y'all. So what y'all have been up to, hunty? Y'all been through a lot. I'm just gonna dig in. Trying to see if y'all can see. And I also have a pickle, which I love pickles. Let's try this cheese sauce. See how it is? It's okay. The fries are good. But I just want a little bit of cheese. The cheese don't even like melt how I want it to be. Okay. So we're gonna do that like that. And then I'm gonna get the juice and pour a little bit. I don't like them to dip my stuff in and then put it on the bread because it do be soggy. As you can see, soggy. Don't like it. So I'm just gonna dip that in there. Wow. That's good. The bread is crunchy. Meat, not over seasoned. Cheese does perfect and the sauce is fine. I'm gonna try the sauce from this little stuff here and see. It's supposed to be like hot. So we're gonna see how that is. But yeah, I haven't been doing nothing, y'all. I did start I've been in training on my floor, which is the 8th floor near Otho, as an NA. So I've been training and doing all of that. V Mix Shop is still in business. We are getting ready to open. Not a set date. I won't put out the date. I'll just bloop, pop out. But I did get my new table, guys. So you like it? Black. I got it from Amazon. So I will put the link down in the description box below where I got it from. And it did come with the 4 black chairs, leather. So I'm so excited. But let's get into this food because I'm hungry, y'all. Look at that juice. I got that juice. New AP. Hey, she got at it. That's good. They give you a lot of meat, which is good. But yeah, I'm gonna come back with videos. I just want to give y'all a snippet of a mukbang for me. But full videos of mukbangs will be on my page soon. if you like this mukbang, this little short mukbang, let me know, y'all. Comment down below what restaurants you think I should try. If they have it in Missouri, I will try them. But until then, see y'all later.